the multidisciplinary aspect is part of how you deal with the engineering-related activities as well as the biological science activities.
Exposure to different subjects definitely shaped me as a multidisciplinary student.
The bioenvironmental stream focuses mostly on the impact of bioresource engineering on the environment, designing and managing ecosystems to provide services to society with benefit both to humans and to the environment at large, taking into account the importance of ecosystems and of the other species that we cohabit with, rather than just focusing on human needs specifically.
We look at topics like integrated water management, adaptive water management, collaborative management. How do you manage a resource like water from a watershed perspective and from a social, ecological, or human water systems perspective?
To develop new tools to manage water quality. And using those tools, we can improve the water quality and reduce nutrient loss from agricultural field to surface water bodies.
The bioproduction stream is about food production, biomass production, or other resources that can be used by humans. Ultimately, it'd be the system of using the field or agriculture to meet the needs of humans, trying to figure out the most efficient, lowest carbon, lowest energy usage to try to produce these foods.
Precision agriculture and sensor systems. It's a growing area. We build sensors to measure soil and plant properties. We write software to process geospatial data. And we're also developing practical solutions to implement precision agriculture in modern production systems.
We have a lot of cool different clubs and teams. I joined NewTrack, which is the design team here for building tractors annually.
You get to meet a lot of engineers in the industry that work at John Deere and a lot of the other major manufacturers. You learn how to use SolidWorks and other 3D CAD drawing in order to draw your components and see how your tractor will go together. You learn how to weld, assemble the whole thing.
Bioprocess engineering is the application of engineering in the transformation and processing of food and biomaterials into various high-value products. For instance, food, fiber, fuel, and other bio-related materials.
Processing of food to ensure shelf life and quality of the food we distribute for the food industry. And in general, we can work on any project we want.
We are getting inspiration from the nature and biological materials and then combine it with the fundamentals of the mechanics to be able to develop the next generations of the sustainable, high-performance, multifunctional materials and structures. We are going beyond what common material and structure can provide. We are developing some material and structures that have some unprecedented mechanical, thermal, electrical, and even magnetic properties.
We need, as a science-based society, to understand how we can evolve our technologies and our methods of implementing those technologies so that we can survive and thrive sustainably without negatively impacting the biosphere.
Moving towards a more responsible society and a more sustainable one through innovative ways to provide basic human needs like energy, water, or food.
A lot of the graduates from this program are tackling really important problems that are happening right now in terms of the environment, climate change, the food sector. Being a graduate student and doing this research, it gives you a sense of purpose and also a sense that you're making a difference in the world.